Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how I clean my lenses. I use three things to clean it. Giottos Rocket, Spudz, which is the cleaning cloth, and the raw oil remover. So let's get into details and I'll show you how I do it. Thanks. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is work on a clean surface. You don't want to go and clean your lens in a dirty place because it's just going to make things worse. So first thing I normally do is use my Giotto and blow anything that could actually scratch the glass when you use the cloth. So once this is done, the lens is already clean, but obviously just to show you, I then use the Spudz and the raw. So I found this on the internet. It's about £10 for this size bottle, which is 50mm, I think. Yes, 59mm. It's about £10, but well worth it. What I do is I spray a little of the raw on the cloth, and this remove any oil there is on the lens, any fingerprints if you have anything really. It's a brilliant product. So once I've done this, I then take another part of the cloth which is dry and do it again. Obviously you will do the same for the lower part where you connect your camera. Once I've done this, a little spray with the rocket, and that's pretty much it. Perfect lens, perfectly clean. Let me see if I can get any closer so I can show you. Like new. Excellent. So any question, let me know. Cheers. Bye.